Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the annoyances on the Windows 10 operating system is the fact that when you hover your mouse too long over the News and Interest panel, it pops up something that you might not want to see. And sometimes it takes time for it to appear. So maybe while you're going with your mouse on the screen, you notice that panel is always, getting there. And yeah, it could be very annoying to have it pop up automatically. So, what do you do? Several things. First of all, you might not want to have that information at the bottom there. Right click at an empty space on your taskbar. Here, you'll see News in Interest. You'll see Show Icon and Text, Show Icon only, or Turn Off. Maybe you want to turn it off. If you turn it off, no more problems. It's gone from your taskbar. And no worries, no more hovering and panels come up and stuff like that. If you're like me, I actually like the fact that I could have the weather. So I kind of find it nice to have the weather here. It doesn't have to be with the text to tell me it's sunny, because I kind of see it's sunny. But you actually have the weather in your taskbar at least. Now, in the News and Interest, what you could do if you do not want to have the taskbar hovering feature, which means that every time you'll pass over there with your mouse, it's always going to pop up. The simple thing to do is right click on the taskbar, go to News and Interest, and just remove the check mark in Open on Hover. Once that is gone, no more hovering and brings up News and Interest. You'll have to click for it to actually pop up. Without clicking, nothing's going to happen. So this is the way I want it. I want the weather. I do not want it to pop up automatically. I just want the weather, and if I ever want to see whatever's in there, which I find is mostly crap, I'll click on it. But chances are I'll never really click on it. And actually, I'll make another change here in the News Interest. I'm going to actually just show the icon. Here we go. No, actually, I want to have the temperature. So, yeah, okay, I knew it didn't. I thought the temperature could be there too. So, yeah, okay, here we go. And yes, it's cold, -14 in Montreal. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.